Before buying a hammer multi-tool, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, HingeShark 12-in-1 Multi-Tool. The HingeShark 12-in-1 Hammer Multi-Tool. This caught my eye for its unique design and versatility, priced at just $19.99. If you want a compact tool that covers all bases, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The HingeShark boasts 12 functions, including a mini hammer, pliers, and various screwdrivers. Whether you need to hammer in a nail, tighten a screw, or even cut rope, this multi-tool is designed to handle it all. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry, and it comes with a handy nylon bag for portability. Over 300 people have bought this in the past month, indicating its popularity. Now, some people complained about its size being a bit small for more demanding tasks. Here's the thing though, this is a multi-tool meant for everyday tasks, not heavy-duty construction. If you're looking for something for light to moderate use, it's perfect. This is perfect for you if you enjoy camping or need a reliable tool for home repairs. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle professional-grade jobs. For the price, it's a solid investment for everyday needs. Now, if the size of the HingeShark bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more robust design. Product number 2, Willock 15-in-1 Multi-Tool. We have the Willock 15-in-1 Multi-Tool Hammer, also priced at $19.99. What stood out to me was the heartfelt message engraved on it, making it a perfect gift. If you want to impress someone special while still getting functionality, this is a great choice. This multi-tool combines a hammer with an impressive suite of features, including a bottle opener and various screwdrivers. The craftsmanship is exceptional, made with stainless steel to resist rust and wear. What's convenient is its 3-in-1 screwdriver heads integrated right into the design, so you don't have to worry about misplacing them. It's great for any DIY enthusiast or someone who enjoys home improvement projects. Some buyers noted that the engraving could wear over time. I'll be real with you, that could happen. But it's still a thoughtful touch that adds character. If you're the kind of person who values aesthetics along with functionality, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a thoughtful gift for your dad or husband. Skip this one if you prefer a more minimalistic tool without the frills. For $19.99, it's a blend of sentiment and utility. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love a bit of color. Product number 3, Yomi Floral 6-in-1 Tool. Let's check out the Yomi 6-in-1 Floral Hammer. Priced at just $13.99, it immediately stands out with its vibrant pink design. If your style leans towards the unique and you want a fun tool for casual use, this could be right up your alley. This multi-tool includes a claw hammer, nail puller, and multiple screwdrivers. Made with high-quality carbon steel, it's engineered for durability. The knurled handle is designed for a solid grip, which is essential when you're working on projects at home. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to store, making it great for apartment dwellers or anyone with limited space. Some users mention that the pink color might not appeal to everyone. Here's the thing though, its vibrant look makes it less likely to get lost in a cluttered garage or tool bag. If you're after something functional yet stylish, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you appreciate aesthetics in your tools. Skip this one if you're looking for a strictly utilitarian option. At this price, it's a fun addition to your toolkit without breaking the bank. Now, if you're after something a bit more serious, the next tool might catch your interest. Product number 4, Rasada's 12-in-1 Multi-Tool. The Rasada's 12-in-1 Multi-Tool Hammer, priced at $17.99. I found this one to be a fantastic option for those who need a reliable tool that can do it all. If you want a compact yet sturdy multi-tool, this is worth considering. This multi-tool packs a punch with 12 functions, including a hammer, pliers, and various screwdrivers. It's designed with safety locks for each tool, so you won't have to worry about accidental openings. The included nylon pouch makes it easy to carry on outdoor adventures or just around the house. Plus, it's made from stainless steel, ensuring it will last through years of use. One drawback is that it doesn't come with a warranty, which some users found concerning. However, I think for the price, the build quality and functionality make it a solid choice. Just be sure to take care of it. This is perfect for you if you're an outdoor enthusiast who enjoys camping or hiking. Skip this one if you need tools for heavy-duty tasks. For $17.99, it's a practical addition to your gear. Now, If you want something with a bit more muscle, let's look at the last product on our list. Product number 5, Rack 12-in-1 Multi-Tool. We have the Rack Hammer Multi-Tool, priced at $25.99. I was really impressed by its combination of features and overall sturdiness. If you need a reliable tool for more demanding tasks, this one might be your best bet. The Rack Multi-Tool has 12 instruments, including a hammer, pliers, and a serrated knife. Made from hardened stainless steel, it's built to withstand tough jobs. The safety lock feature is a nice touch, preventing any accidental injuries while you're working. This tool is compact enough to fit in your backpack, but strong enough to tackle various projects. A few users found it a bit heavier than expected. I'll be honest, it is slightly bulkier, but that's because it's built to last. If you're someone who doesn't mind a little weight for quality, then it's not a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who frequently tackles home projects. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight. For $25.99, it's an investment in quality and durability.
So to wrap things up, we've explored the Hinshark for versatility, the Willock for a thoughtful gift, the Yomi for style, the Rasadas for outdoor use, and the Rock for strength. Each has its unique pros and cons, so consider what fits your needs best. Remember, a good multi-tool can be a game changer in your home toolkit.